Yo, what's up, my amazing people? Today we're diving deep. We're talking about something super crucial, something we use every single second. I'm talking about power grids. These aren't just wires and poles, fam. They are the lifelines of our modern world. They bring the magic of electricity right to us. Without them, life would be totally different. And honestly, way less fun. Think no lights, no Wi-Fi, no TikTok scrolling. Imagine waking up, no alarm clock buzz, your phone, dead. No morning smoothie because the blender won't start. That's a world without a working power grid. Scary, right? These grids are complex systems. They are intricate networks of power stations. They have transmission lines stretching for miles. They have distribution centers in your neighborhood, all working together, just to make sure your lights turn on. And your favorite shows can be streamed. It's a silent, everyday miracle we often overlook. Alright, so power grids are basically superheroes. We got that. They keep our world spinning. But hold up, even superheroes have their weak spots. Our power grids, they've got some serious challenges. Think of it like an old computer, one that's trying to run the latest, most demanding games. It's gonna struggle, right? Many parts of our current power grid are old, super old. They weren't designed for today's massive energy needs. We all use so much more electricity now. One of the biggest headaches is blackouts. Ugh, the worst. 1 minute you're vibing, the next, total darkness. Blackouts can happen for lots of reasons. Bad weather like storms can knock out power lines. Equipment can fail because it's old or overworked. Sometimes too many people use too much power at once. This overloads the system. These outages are more than just annoying. They can disrupt businesses. They can even be dangerous, especially for critical services. We need our power to be reliable, period. So, we've got these power grid problems. They're old, they're creaky, they're struggling. What's the game plan? How do we fix this? Get ready for the hero of our story. Allow me to introduce artificial intelligence. That's right, AI. It's not just for beating humans at chess or creating funny cat videos. AI is stepping in to give our power grid a massive brain boost. A super intelligent, problem-solving brain. It's here to make our power grid optimization a reality. Now, artificial intelligence might sound super complicated, like something out of a sci-fi movie. But think of it like this. AI systems are computer